Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable developer mode option. Friends, you want to enable your developer option, so how to enable a new developer setting today friends I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, now let's see how to use developer setting and how to enable developer mode on Realme phone. Friends, click on phone setting and friends click on search option, and friends search here guys build setting guys, build number guys, direct click here build number, and friends you will have to click here guys 4 and 5 times guys your tap here. Friends, you can see now we are developer. Friends, come back. Friends, your developer option will enable on your Realme phone, and how to check guys you are developer. Friends, click on phone setting and friends scroll it. Friends, click on additional setting guys, tap here, and friends you can see this type interface on your additional setting. And friends, you can see developer option, click here, and friends you can use your developer option setting. Friends, you can see there are many types of setting as OMU and log setting. Friends, you can see picture color mode. Friends, you want to on, you can on from here. Automatic system update. Friends, you want to on, you want to off, so you can on and off guys your automatic system update when you will enable your developer option. Friends, there are many settings you can see guys. Big report shortcut setting. Friends, here bug report shortcut setting. As you can select mock location app setting. Well, there are many settings you can use it. Wi-Fi fans, you can see scanning setting as you can on and off from here. So like that friends, you can enable your developer option and you can use your developer option setting on your Realme phone device guys. So are you fans, you understood how to enable developer option and how to developer option setting on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, and before going guys, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye friends.